Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. We still have some problem in camera, so maybe we will try to settle by today. So therefore, there is no video today also, only the audio. Look at the US markets. US markets were very, very weak, and every day it has been falling. And then, some corporate results bring the market up. And US markets now caught between banking crisis once again and the good corporate results. What happened day before yesterday night also, US markets fell drastically, and just after the market hours, and the results came from Microsoft and uh, Google, and then the market shot up, and then though market shot up, and then during the market hours slowly drifted down, and finally Nasdaq was the only index which was in green. US Dow and S&P 500 came significantly lower. Even Nasdaq also, if you take out only one stock, that is Microsoft, then that was also negative. And Microsoft is an index heavyweight that has contributed for more than 100 point for Nasdaq 100, whereas Nasdaq 100 closed around 50-60 point only higher. But once again, what happened just after the market hours, a Meta platform, that is Facebook parent company, came out with good results and it shot up 10-12%. So because of that, and Nasdaq future once again is higher by 50-60 point. So clearly, US markets caught between good corporate results and banking crisis. The First Republic Bank, which fell 50% day before yesterday, fell another 33% yesterday. So the banking crisis seems to continue in US. That is having a bad sentiment all over the world. Most of the Asian markets are down. SGX Nifty is also down, but Nifty shot up 40-50 point in the last half an hour yesterday. Only that is being wiped out. But it'll be interesting to see most of the American depository receipts are in green, particularly ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and Infosys ADRs are all in green. So it'll be interesting to see. Now we are caught between positive global cues and negative global cues. So we need to see how it's going to open. Yesterday, FIAs were turned net buyers and they bought for more than 1,000 crores. That was really surprising. Usually what happens when they aggressively sell, at some point of time they stop selling and then after 1 or 2 days they resume buying. But this time it is just like a U-turn. And day before yesterday, they've sold for nearly 2,000 crores. Yesterday, they've bought for 1,000 plus crores. So it looks like a complete U-turn. So we need to see. I was just looking if there is any block deal or bulk deal. Sometimes any one particular stock they buy in huge quantities that may distort the buy-sell figures. But as of yesterday, there was no such news. So it must be a general buying only. So first we need to see whether this is a one-off buying or it's a resumption of FIA buying. So if FIA buy, they continuously buy for 8 to trading sessions, or if they start selling, they continuously sell for 8 to 10 trading sessions. That has been the trend for the last few months. So hopefully if they turn net buyers and if they continue to do so, and then if the global cues are also not so bad, and then I think the next target will be 18,100 to 18,200. The market can move higher. But we need to see there are a lot of news from US during the next 1 week. Monday is our trading holiday. So Tuesday is FOMC meeting, that is a Fed meeting. The Wednesday night, the Fed meeting decision will come. So for next few days, there will be a lot of activities, a lot of action, and a lot of corporate reserves. And today, markets will focus on Hindustan Unilever because FMCG stocks have done extremely well for the last few months, and ITC is the best performing stock, doubled in more than last 1 year. So if any earnings disappointment, so these stocks may come under decent selling pressure, and especially Hindustan Unilever now it is one among the top 10 Nifty 50 stocks. So we are caught between, as I told you clearly, good local cues and bad global cues. So expiry day volatility will kick in. The market's likely to be very volatile. So if market closes, Nifty closes above 17,800 for a second day today, then it is considered to be a positive for Indian markets. So be ready for a roller coaster ride, and but market, as long as FIAs are on buy side, so I will consider the market as buy and dip market. So any fall of about 80 to 100 points in Nifty, I will be looking to sell put options, and it will be safe to sell put options below 17,200 because the support is 17,250. So let us see what happens today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.